All right, in my work or my series of talking about gold, silver, and things like that, and I did mention that it's my theory that the market's being flooded with a lot of fakes. Okay, uh, in this video, I received a shipment of fakes, mostly bullion coins, and I'm gonna get another one that are old U.S. I believe the term is constitutional silver or junk silver coins, which there is a price according to face, like for every dollar worth of the old silver coins pre 1964 you get. But this is my first batch of the fakes, and we'll take a look at what I got, and then what I'm going to do is break down what I paid for them as compared to what a real one is worth. And then I'll show you the simple tools you need to kind of protect yourself. And I'm trying to get something where I have a real example and a fake example. And then we'll go through every single one of them, just make a short video showing you how I tested them and how they stack up or how close they are to be convincing. Okay? All right, so here's some videos of what I ended up with yesterday. All right, my first shipment of fake ass stuff has arrived, and curiously, even though I ordered this from China, the return address is on High Street on both of these. Parth Amboy, New York. Interesting. And you know, when I got these things, you got all these different little weird sellers on there. And we got a piece of tape. Around a little, okay, and we have one fake 1 ounce gold coin. And it's in an airtight. It's a fake 1 ounce Mexican coin. And we'll take a look at this closer, but that's one of them. And I'll tell you what I paid for these so we can figure out how the scam runs. All right, this one here, again, same address, somewhere in New York. Okay, very strange. I'm going to get this packet open. Oh, okay, so they, see, half of these sellers were all, you know, spread out on Alibaba Express, and they must have sent them all, oh boy, it's a multi-package. They're all addressed to me. And they got all these Chinese labels on them. Alright, so instead of taking forever and a day, I'm going to kind of slice each one of these open and then we'll lay them out here. Alright, so after I opened all these packages up, I mean, they were double packed in here. Supposedly all of this went through customs, okay? And none of this has been opened. I mean, it's all sealed from China, and none of it was open whatsoever, okay? And I got all these different coins out. I I guess I ordered them all from different places. So, you know, in one large order, I got all the fake silver came in one group, and this came in one big envelope, and that one, this was the one that came all by itself. So let's see what we got, and I got all of this for testing. Okay, so I got the Philharmonics. I got a gold and I got a silver. I just recently purchased a real one of these. So we're going to use this here for testing of that particular coin. Now, as for the gold, this gold one, if you notice, okay, this has a serial number and that on there. So this one here, but I don't know if that's how they put it on a real one. I do not have a real 1 ounce gold to compare it to, but I got that. We seen the first one I opened, the 1 ounce supposed Mexican coin. And what I really was looking for is this one here is a 2022 Silver Eagle. I just got a new 2023 Silver Eagle. And I want to see how this compares to an actual Eagle, because they are different. The older ones I have, even with the ping tester, is going to be different. So we got the one gold bar, and then this is a, I think it's a quarter ounce 2023 American Gold Eagle. I got a fake Morgan in this lot. This is 1878. I believe I even have an 1878 no mint mark. But I got a Morgan silver dollar, which is fake. Liberty, and then with my silver, this was all purchased from one place. The silver bars are copies of, you know, actual places, Johnston, Matthey, okay, but there's no serial number on it. And Engelhart for years was, when you bought bars, Engelharts were good bars to get. They were recognized. But again, no serial number. I got this little 5-gram bar, this weird thing. I didn't realize the size of it. But I got that. And I have a, what is this? 2021 silver Krugerrand. Okay? So, when we get into where we're going to take a closer look, and I'll tell you the prices of these, and we'll look at these closely, and I'll tell you what I paid for them. The silver bars, we'll get them out, and they're all in airtights. We'll get them out of their airtights, and we'll look at them. And some of these are kind of obvious. Some of these will be easy to spot, I believe, and some of them won't. Some of them, if you're going quick or pulling a con, you know, somebody unsuspecting could fall for this. And I believe this, yeah, that this is saying a quarter. That's way bigger than a quarter ounce coin. So we're going to take a look at these and see what's out there, how good the fakes are. The one I wanted was the Silver Eagle, because I heard there's some real high quality fakes out there, and I want to see how this stands up to it. And the Philharmonic and the you know, South African coin. I bought these coins specifically, and I bought real ones to test out and see. And again, like I said, the Morgan dollar here, is one I'm interested in seeing. I'll leave it in there for now, how that works. All right, so that's my unboxing, and in another week or so, I'm going to get, I ordered some fakes of, I think I got a Peace Dollar, some Walking Liberty half, I believe a Washington quarter, I think a Standing Liberty quarter, and a Mercury dime. I tried to order one of all the old constitutional silver out there. And I'm going to use these fakes as a test platform. And we're going to go through different ways of trying to see validating your coins or bars as we go. So stay tuned, and I'll do one. I'll figure out what I paid for all of these. And I'll also tell you what I paid for the fakes. Okay, they're all like, I don't think there's a single thing on this group that was over $3. Okay, but yet we have 1, 2, 3, 1 ounce and a quarter of gold. Okay, that's $6 right there. These are all $30, say 30 a piece. 3, 60, 90, supposedly $150 in silver, but, like I said, I forget what I paid for all of this. It's something like $35 with the shipping for all of this here. All right, so we got our test material, so hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.